Hi, Al. So, in the first session, we came to know about the history and background and how the blue jeans evolved. Now we'll be knowing more. What is the material used? How the material is prepared, raw material is prepared. True blue jeans are made out of 100% cotton. The common dye used is synthetic indigo. So, pure cotton, 100% cotton. You know the stiffness and all. What is the dye? Synthetic indigo. This is not natural. So it won't be collected from the indigo flowers and they make. So they use synthetic one. So it won't fade away very easily. So they wanted to go for a synthetic indigo. The belt loops, waistband. So what are other components of the jeans? So we need the belt loops to put a belt and all. Waistband, sometimes even the band also will come. The belt like cotton band will be coming and back panel. So for the pant back, so the panel will be there. So where we can put the pockets are made of indigo dyed denim only. So this is all the raw material to make all these things. Zippers and the buttons are made of steel. So zippers and buttons are made. So I think already we know that rivets are made of copper. So but zippers and buttons are made of steel. So more clarity is given here. Designer labels are often embroidered. You know that Levi's and other pantaloons, anyone. So they'll be having some kind of uh, maybe brand. So they'll be labels are also made with embroidered labels also is made by the tailors. So these are raw material, you know, how many components here. First thing is cotton, you used is cotton. Material is used cotton and dye is synthetic indigo and belt loops, waistband, back panel, pockets are made of indigo dyed denim. Zippers and buttons are steel, but rivets are cotton and designer labels are also prepared. These are the different raw material used for making the jeans. Preparing the cotton. Oh God. Preparing the cotton yarn of raw material. Next, we'll go see that stages involved in manufacturing the denim cloth. So, what are the material we need? At first, fabric has to be prepared. Preparing the cotton yarn is the first step. Then dyeing the yarn. Then weaving the yarn. So, three steps are very, very important in making the or manufacturing the denim cloth. Preparing the cotton yarn, dyeing it. Preparing the cotton means what to do. So how we are preparing the cotton yarn, first step we'll learn. Then how to dye the yarn. So there will be procedure, different procedure, not simply putting them in that. So what is the procedure we'll see. And then they have to weave the yarn to make a cloth. First step, preparing the cotton yarn. Steps to make ginned cotton to become cotton yarn. Ginned cotton, what is ginned cotton? Ginned cotton is making cotton which is brought from the fields in bags. So directly from the fields. That means a lot of processing required. It is ginned cotton is the cotton procured from the fields. Cotton is picked from the fields. Process to make the cotton yarn. So some process is required. Cotton yarn is inspected for the quality. Before processing, another step is there. So they'll be checking whether the cotton is having moisture or any other kind of that maybe texture and all is inspected. So the quality is inspected very keenly. Then undergoes a process known as carding. Carding is actually what they do in carding. The steps of involved in carding also, it cleans first of all. First of all, it is brought from the fields. So it may be having some kind of unwanted particles. So first thing is they'll be cleaning it, distangling it. What do you mean by distangling? Because the cotton is brought in the bags, penny bags. So it may be having some lot of maybe knots and also they should be distangled. All that knots should be removed and they have to straighten the cotton and gather the cotton fibers. So the cotton brought in the bags as a cotton, so they'll be just cleaning it and distangling it, and maybe the process of carding is also done, and then they'll be maybe converting the point fibers, which are called strivers, a strip of loose and twisted textile fibers. So at this stage, the cotton yarn brought from the fields is become a strip of loose and twisted textile fibers. So those fibers are used for weaving. So preparing the cotton yarn steps are, so you have to remember, genuine cotton picked up from the fields will be inspected for the quality and goes the process of carding. So what is carding? It will be cleaning, disentangling, straightening the gathered cotton fibers, and these fibers are called slivers. Now slivers we are ready, we have ready. Now we have to go for the making of the, no, preparing the cotton yarn. So other machines joins several slivers together. We have only slivers after cleaning and cutting. So what we have, those slivers, small slivers should be joined together to become a big rope. And these slivers are pulled and twisted to make the thread stronger also. Only thread is made, so but it won't be strong enough. So they need another process called twisting and pulling it to make it strong. So because I think, you know, the jeans is a very strong cloth. So for that they needed a strong thread also. So the slivers are pulled and twisted together and to make the thread stronger. Then these ropes are put into spinning machines that further twist and stretch the fibers to form the yarn. So the spinning mill machine is required now. So that machine, they will be putting those slivers joined together and become a thread, strong thread, that those ropes they put into the spinning machine and further twist and stretch the fibers to form the yarn. So now cotton yarn is prepared. So then we'll be looking into other parts in the next session. Thank you.